Today I have taken one question from NCERT 10th Maths. The question is question number 2, Roman 2, exercise 4.2 equal to. A cottage industry produces a certain number of toys in a day. The cost of production of each toy in rupees was found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. On a particular day, the total cost of production was rupees 750. Find out the number of toys produced on that day. This is a word problem. What you have to do in this case, underline the key point with the help of a pencil. Now I am going to underline the key points as it is. Produces number of toys in a day. Cost of production, each toy was found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. On a particular day, total cost of production was reached 750. Find out the number of toys produced on that day. Now come out to the solution. Let the solution equal to you have to note from this place. Let the number of toys produced. Let the number of toys produced on a day equal to X. Therefore, on one day, number of toys produced is equal to X. Here it says, here you can see each toy consists of cost equal to this one 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. That's why I can write each toy one toy. One toy consists of production cost equal to, from here you can find out one toy consists of cost production comes out to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. Here you can say number of toys produced on a day equal to X. This will become minus X. Therefore, here I can put such that one toy consists of cost production equal to rupees 55 minus X. From here I have got each toy means one toy consists of cost production equal to 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day, that is X. That's why I have written 55 minus X I have written here. Therefore, X twice consists of production cost equal to x in bracket 55 minus x, that is rupees. Now come out to the next. On a particular day, the total cost of production was rupees 750. Now, according to the given condition implies that x dot 55 minus x, that will become equal to 750. Now simplify this one, implies that this will become 55 x minus x square minus 750 equal to 0. Now you can write this one as it is. On multiplying minus 1 in both sides, you will get here x square minus 55 x plus 750 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Here you have got, this is a quadratic equation. Here you got, that is x square minus 55x plus 750. This is a quadratic equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Let us see how this quadratic equation is solved. Here you can see the coefficient of x square is plus 1. So here you write plus 1. Here you write plus 1. Here you can see coefficient of x square is plus 1. Here write plus 1. And constant term is 750. Right hand here 750. Both will be multiplied together. That comes out to 750 equal to, make two boxes like this. Just below plus 750, right here minus 55. After that, make two boxes like this. Here multiplication sign is fixed here. Now, next step we have to do, we have to get PFs of plus 750. That right here 750. That is PFs of 750. Here you can say at unit place 0 is there. This means that 750 can easily be divided by 2. If you divide by 2, you will get here 3. Sorry for interruption. 2. Here you will get 3. Now, Dutiya 6 is there. Here you can get here 15. You can get here 2 7 are 14 or 5. Here you will get 5. Now comes out to this one 375. Now here you can say at digit at unit place is 5. Can't divide it by 2. Just divide by 3. If you divide by 3, it comes out to 3. 3 2 are 6 you will get. And after that 5 you will get. Now divide by 5, you will get here 25. 25 you get here 5. 5 you will get here 1. Then here you get PFs 2 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. 3 दूनी के 6, 5 30, 30 5 150 और 150, 5 या 750. Now what we'll do? All these PFs will be put before all these PFs will be put before the mouth of a scorpion. Here you can say scorpion. This is scorpion I made. This is scorpion. This is scorpion I have made. All these PFs will be placed within the whiskers of a scorpion. This is a whiskers of a scorpion. Whiskers. This is belly of scorpion. Belly of scorpion. Here you can see this is sting of a scorpion. All these PFs will be placed inside the whiskers of a scorpion. A scorpion, whiskers of a scorpion. Now I am going to put all these PFs before the mouth of a scorpion. Here put 2 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. Just tally the things here. Here written 2 into 3, 2 into 3, 3 5, 3 5 have written. I have put all these PFs within the whiskers of a scorpion. All these PFs will go inside the belly of a scorpion. There in belly, all these PFs will not get digested, will be thrown out. This means that all these PFs will be distributed into two parts, namely P and Q. Here I have distributed these PFs into P and Q. Here first take 2 into 3. I have put here 2 into 3. If you get here 6. After that I have put here 5 into 5 into 5. 5 into 5 into 5. I shall get here 105. P plus Q, get P plus Q. If I get here P plus Q means 6 plus 125, get 131. 131 is not the coefficient of X, that is 55. Now next proceed. 6 P minus Q, that is 6 minus 125 equal to 119 I shall get here. Just I have neglected, sign here. Again 119 is not the coefficient of X, that is 55. This means that this distribution will be neglected, will be rejected. Now comes out to next. Now I have taken 2 into 3 into 5, 2 into 3 into 5 here. And here I have taken 5 into 5, 5 into 5. Now do the operations here. 2 3 is 6, 6 5 is 30 I have got here. Here I shall get 5 5 is 5 into equal to 25 I get. Here P is equal to 30. Here Q is equal to 25 is there. Just P plus Q comes out to be 30 plus 25 equal to 55. This 55 you have got. This 55 is the coefficient of X, that is 55. This 55 are matched together. That's why this distribution will be accepted, in which value of P will be 30, value of Q will be 25. Now, here I have written coefficient of X square is plus 1, I have written plus 1. Here content term is plus 750, I have written here 750. Both will be multiplied together. I have got here plus 750 equal to. I have made boxes like this. Inside the boxes, what shall I put? In first box I shall put here 30. In second box I shall put it 25. Now here multiplication sign is fixed here. Just do the operation. If you put here minus, minus will multiply together, will get here plus, and 30 will multiply to 25, will get here 750. This 30 and this 25 I have got here from this place. P equal to 30, Q equal to 25. Because this distribution has been accepted. Because here you have got P plus Q equal to 55. 55 is the coefficient of X. Here that is 55. That's why this distribution has been accepted. Here I have taken P equal to 30. I have put here 30. Here Q equal to 25. There I have put here 25. Just match the signs here. After matching the signs, we have get here plus 750. Whatever negative sign comes here at this place, the same digit which sign will also come here. Whatever negative sign comes here, the same digit which sign will also come here. Both will be added together. Minus 30 will be added to minus 25. You will get here minus 50. Now things have been verified here. Now here write original quadratic equation I have written x square minus 55x plus 750 equal to 0. After to do the operation here you can say the middle term is minus 55x. The middle term minus 55x has been split into two parts, minus 30x, minus 25x. Same thing I have reflected here, x square minus 30x minus 25x plus 750 equal to 0. Here you can take in both term x is there. You can take easily x as a common. If you take here x as a common, in another bracket you will get x minus 30. If you take here minus 25 as a common, in another bracket you will get here x minus 30 equal to 0. Here you have got two terms. Both terms you are looking at this both term. You will get here x minus 30 as a common. In one bracket it comes out to be x minus 30, in another bracket it comes out to be x minus 25 equal to 0. Here you can get x minus 30 equal to 0 because this term will put back to right hand side there, the whole term in right hand side will become 0. This will x minus 30 equal to 0, imply that x equal to 30. Similarly, x minus 25 equal to 0, it will become equal to x minus 25. Here you have got the value of x equal to 30 or value of x equal to 25. That's why hence you can write the answer here, the number of toys produced on a day equal to 30 or 25. That will be the correct answer of this word problem question.